Hola todas. Just got up, did a little bit on the computer, getting the pictures up, ordered room service, had a wonderful night's sleep, and look, a beautiful sunny day here in Secrets Sanctuary Cap Cana in Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic. The sun's rising. This is the patio of an oceanfront beach suite. So beautiful. There's a massage hut there. Everywhere you look, just so beautiful. Well, I'm going to go back in now because room service should be here. And I want to eat a little something, then go on the beach and take pictures and videos to share with everyone.